In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about some Ascension symptoms and some things that can make you feel almost crazy. Asking yourself, am I going crazy? What is this? What is all of this that I'm feeling? Why do I feel so scattered? Why do I feel so fatigued, so tired? Why do I feel achy? Why do I feel nervous? Why do I feel anxious? So many different things we can feel as our bodies ascend. And here's what's happening. You guys stay with me on this because I know that so many of you are going to relate to what I'm talking about here. And it's going to be very reassuring for you. So as a sensitive, as an HSP myself, I go through these things daily. So I see you, I am with you, I am here with you going through this. And we're doing it. We are doing it. So there are so many things going on in the celestial realms, in the cosmos, up in outer space, basically. We have things like solar flares from the sun, okay? That may not sound like a big deal, but for a sensitive person, we are literally tapped into that energy and the different things that are going on up there, okay, and around us, and it affects how we feel. It affects our nervous system. Okay, so many days you may not know what is this that I'm feeling so anxious about, or nervous or confused, or many things. And so when I personally have days like this, I will go to the calendar, I will get on the internet, and I will look and see, okay, is there a full moon coming up? Is there a new moon coming up? Do we have planets aligned? Yes, we do. We have planets aligned. And right now, we have planets aligned and a new moon coming up just in 2 days. And guys, I'm telling you, so many of us are extremely sensitive to the moon cycles. Now, it took me many years to learn this about myself, but once I did, I could determine many things, like why I'm not sleeping, why I'm lying here in bed wide awake when I should be sleeping beautifully. And it can be the phases of the moon. It can be so many different things that are going on. Solar flares are huge. Our energy bodies feel and sense all of this. And what's happening here, this is key. What's happening is all of this pure light is coming in to our planet, into our bodies. We are embodying all of this cosmic, beautiful, pure light into our bodies. And it takes a little bit for the human part of us, the human body, to acclimate to all of this new energy. And as we're adjusting, acclimating to it, we can feel many things, like I've been talking about, that can make us feel off kilter. Headaches are another thing. They're another Ascension symptom that's happening to so many of my friends, my students right now. For me, I don't have so much of a headache as I will have this pressure, just this pressure in my third eye. And I'll find myself rubbing my head this way, rubbing my temples this way to give a little bit of relief to that, because it is a lot of pressure. And that is that third eye, that pineal gland, that eye into so many things and so many realms. It's expanding and decalcifying, okay? So, do I feel crazy on some days? Yes, I feel nuts. Am I crazy? No. Are you crazy? No, you're not. You are ascending. You are growing. You are evolving. You are evolving. You're leveling up. You are leveling up. And this year, 2025, this is the year of the snake. Now, that is a good thing. That's a good thing. So spiritually, what that means is, a snake sheds its skin and comes out brand new. It's a rebirthing process. We're going through that this year, and we're going to shed layers, and we're going to shed things that do not serve us any longer. We're going to let go of those things, and we're going to leave them behind so that we can embody more and more and more of this beautiful light that's coming in. When Spirit shows it to me, it's coming in these strands, in these strings, in these rods. You've probably read or heard some about these light rods that are being activated within our DNA, literally. Now, this is all a beautiful, beautiful thing. But when you don't understand what you're going through, you start to question, what is this? What is this? So when it comes to ascension and it comes to upgrading, know that nobody told us it was going to be easy. Nobody told us it was going to be easy. But you know what? It is worth it. I promise you it is worth it. And you are doing this. You've got this. I've got this. Every time I do one of these videos for us, I'm doing it as much for myself as I am for you. And I hope that it helps you to know that you're not alone, that I see you. I do. I see you. I understand what you're going through. So for any of you that are going through these various things and you're questioning, what is wrong with me? I just feel so brain fog. That's another huge thing right now. I just don't feel right. Most likely, your body is acclimating to all of these new energies and this beautiful light that is pouring in. So know that you're okay. You've got this. You're navigating this. You really are. You are much, much stronger than you have any idea. So trust and allow this, and we'll do it together. So I love all of you guys very much. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And just know that your best truly is yet to come. When I tell you this, I mean this. Your best is yet to come. And you can navigate through these tricky times. If I can do it, I know that you can do it. So I will see you on the next video.